Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I want to share something very special to me. My grandmother's home-cooked meals. There's nothing like the comfort dal chawal sabzi roti, especially Karela, made with love by my grandmother. Every time I visit her in Chicago, these simple dishes are what I look forward to the most. Dining out is fun, but it's these humble home-cooked meals that truly satisfies the soul. So when I walk into my grandmother's kitchen, I'm greeted by the comforting smell of spices and the sight of fresh vegetables being prepared with care. It's a warm and inviting place where time seems to slow down. My grandmother's kitchen is always buzzing with activity, pots clanging, spices sizzling, and the constant hum of conversation. It's filled with love, warmth, and delicious food. One of my favorite dishes that my grandmother makes is dal chawal. Dal is a simple lentil curry and rice is chawal. It's a staple in many Indian households, but my grandmother's dal chawal is something special. The lentils are cooked to perfection, seasoned with just the right amount of spices and served over steaming hot rice. It's a simple dish, but it's so comforting and delicious. When I sit down to eat dal chawal at my grandmother's house, it's like a warm hug in a bowl. The flavors are familiar and comforting, reminding me of my childhood and the many meals I've shared with my family. It's a dish that brings back memories and makes me feel at home no matter where I am. Another essential part of my grandmother's meals is roti. Roti is a type of flatbread made from whole wheat flour. It's soft, fluffy, and perfect for scooping up curries and vegetables. My grandmother's rotis are always perfectly round and cooked to perfection. Watching her make them is like watching an artist at work. She rolls out the dough with such skill and precision and then cooks them on a hot griddle until they're puffed up and golden brown. There's something incredibly satisfying about tearing into the warm, fresh roti and dipping it into a bowl of dal or sabzi. The combination of flavors and textures is simply divine. It's a humble food, but it's made with so much love and care that it feels like a feast. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, Karela. Karela or bitter gourd, it's a vegetable that's known for its distinct bitter taste. It's not everyone's favorite, but my grandmother's Karela sabzi is something else. She cooks it with onions, tomatoes, and a blend of spices that balances out the bitterness and bring out its unique flavor. Karela might seem like an unusual choice for a comfort food, but for me, it's a reminder of my grandmother's love and care. She always knows how to make even the simplest ingredients taste amazing. Her Karela sabzi is packed with flavor and has a comforting warmth that makes it not wanting to resist. Now, one of the best things about my grandmother's cooking is that it's always enjoyed together with family. Mealtime at her house is a lively affair with everyone gathered around the table, sharing food, stories, and laughter. There's something truly special about eating a meal that's been prepared with so much love and care, surrounded by the people you love. Sharing these simple, home-cooked meals with my family is a reminder of what's really important in life. It's not about fancy restaurants or elaborate dishes. It's about the love and connection that comes from sharing a meal together. Now, as we come to the end of this story, I want to thank you for joining me on this journey. My grandmother's cooking is more than just food. It's a reflection of her love, care, and the traditions that have shaped our family. Her simple meals of dal chawal sabzi roti are a powerful reminder of the importance of family, tradition, and the comfort of home. Next time you sit down to a meal with your loved ones, take a moment to appreciate the love and care that goes into it. It's not just about the food on your plate, but the connections and memories that are created around the table. My friends, thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your own food memories in the comments below. See you next time, and remember, there's no place like a grandmother's kitchen for comfort and love.